Well, hello FMEers. Today is the day. It is the FME World Fair, day one. And I hope you're logged into the platform and watching the presentations and just basically enjoying everything that's going on. We did a card trick yesterday with FME and I thought, hey, let me do another one today, because wouldn't that be great? So that's what we're going to do. And here I have a full deck of cards, and it is just a regular deck of cards. I can try and show you. It's very difficult to do this sort of thing on a webcam. I guess this is why magicians use a stage where it's a lot more space. But basically, it is a regular deck of playing cards. And we're going to do the old, you pick a card, FME will tell you what it is trick. Okay? So I'm just going to cut the cards a couple of times, and then your card is going to be the one that's on top. So let's take the top card, and that's going to be your card, and it is this one. Okay, so that is your card. Remember that one? You got it. So now we're going to bury that somewhere in the pack, and we're going to do that. We're just going to cut the cards like that, and maybe cut them again like that, and basically the card is buried in there somewhere, and FME is going to find it for us. How's it going to do that? Well, I've got a workspace, and here it is, and it's got a card reader and a card sorter, and then it writes it back out again to this. So it's going to read the cards, sort the cards, like that, and then write it back again. And in fact, what we're going to do is use the FME Lizard Wizard to help us do that. So let's hit the run button. And the Lizard Wizard is sending information about the cards to FME, and FME is reading it in, and it's getting 52 cards. Now it's sorting them. It's sorting those cards, and it's writing it back out at the same time. And it is done. And when it did the sorting, basically what it did was it sorted your card back to the top of the pile. Don't believe me? Let's see. Was that your card? I think it probably was. Now, how did FME do that? Well, let's have a look. You've got the card sorter, and okay, we cheated a bit there. Instead of having a sorting transformer, we've got a cloner. So what does the cloner mean? Well, it means that FME made every card in there the same one, and that's how we did it.